Today we are gonna be making back to life broth. I have my period, so when you have your period, you're not feeling the best. You might be a little bit grumpy and you want to be in your pajamas like I am. And the best thing, guys, you are stomping upstairs. I don't know how this video is gonna come out. So what we're gonna be doing is gonna be a chicken broth that I call the back to life broth, because it really makes you feel freaking amazing when you drink it. Not only you get like all the vitamins and the collagen and the benefits of just drinking bone broth that actually is really good for your stomach, your gut health, but also just it's like a warm hug. You feel like you're back to life. So with no further ado, I introduce you to my special favorite bone, it's not bone, but yeah, it could be a bone broth, chicken bone broth recipe. Pajama day. I love it. Pajama bun day. That's where it's at. Alright. Carrots. You'll grab like a handful of carrots, something like that. Just not a lot of carrots, but a little bit, maybe just a little bit. And you make sure. Hey guys, you're upstairs stomping like crazy. Clearly you're having fun. Just add all the carrots to a pan. Look. There's not really fail recipe for it, recipe for this. It's actually pretty good. The only thing with alright, that one doesn't go in. The only thing is with the chicken, I'm using leftover chicken bones and chicken parts from a chicken that we roasted the other day. You're welcome to do it with fresh chicken. I prefer to use leftovers, so you're sure that you use everything. Try not to waste. So try to cook the whole chicken, be grateful for the chicken, and then use the rest to make a very warming broth for when you have your period. You can make this broth to be the base stock for other recipes, like making your couscous, your rice. Just want to make sure that I'm recording. Yes! Yes! Alright, the next addition is celery stalks. I'll add a bunch, not much. Make sure you wash it first if it's not washed. And what you don't use of the another cool thing that we're actually doing right now, maybe I can show you later. This guy, you put it in a glass with water, you fill up to here, and then you'll start seeing a new celery baby growing out from here. It's really cool. Also, if you have kids, you can use this as stamp. So you dip it in the paint and then you stamp flowers. Cool things that mommy learned throughout the years. All right, we add this beautiful stalks. So again, very easy, not much work into it. Tack, 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 tack. All right. Kale. I really like the addition of kale. So add kale. Couple bunches. Since we're gonna do, maybe I'll add. There you go. So far, this is what it's looking like. All right. From there, I'm gonna show you. It might be a little bit gross. I don't know if you're getting a little impressed, but this is my leftovers of the chicken. And we're just gonna dump them all in. Then, when you buy chicken, usually they have the organ parts and some bits. They're like usually located inside the chicken, and they come in a package. I froze those, and I'm gonna be adding those too. Then, I have powder bouillon. That it's a more natural approach than the regular one because it doesn't have MSG. But you can make your own. We'll try to figure out to make our own, to make it as tasty as this one. This one is a vegetable bouillon, so I grab around 2 tablespoons of bouillon. And then this is my secret weapon. Coconut aminos. Be generous. Generous with the coconut aminos. I put it in replacement of salt. And then you cannot not put apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get organic, raw, and unfiltered. There we go. And now we add water. Okay. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, we're gonna cover and simmer it to a low simmer. And we're gonna cook it for about an hour and a half, depending on how much time you have. You make sure that the chicken is really, really cooked before you pour it out. I'm gonna put it in a container. I'm gonna drink it today because mommy has her period. So cheers. It's been an hour, and this is what it looks like. I don't wanna open it because it's gonna take away all the vapor. So it's been an hour, and this is what it looks like. And the kitchen smells so amazing. I cannot wait to try this, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it.
I forgot to put garlic, and that's why we're putting it now.
I forgot, or you forgot?
My mom forgot.
Let me see, open it. Now we can open it. There we go. I completely forgot to add garlic, so we're adding an extra hour of cooking. Does it smell good?
Wait, I can. Yeah, it smells like broth.
So the broth is completely done, and it's cooled down. Now we're just gonna strain it and then let it cool down a little bit more because I want, you can see there's a little bit of fat on the top. I want that to separate so then I can take it off, and then I will be bottling it. So excited. You guys love this. It really makes you feel better.